Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Vadoo AI. In order to do so, here we are at vadoo.tv and we're all logged in. And here you will see what you can expect from Vadoo. First thing you might want to take a look at is this walkthrough video here. Now, I will just say up front that one of the things about Vadoo is that unfortunately it does not seem to offer any free credits to get started. So let me just click on that. Yeah. So that's to me is a little bit of it's a barrier to entry because I like to try out a video generator, an AI generator before I give it a shot, just because I want to know exactly what it is that it's capable of. But if we just take a look here at the Vadoo dashboard, then we can get an idea of what it is that it can do. So we have a few different options here at the top. We've got AI story. We can generate an AI story video. We can generate a video from text. We can generate a virtual AI influencer. We can generate image from text. We can generate image to 3D, generate a 3D object from an image, and we can even generate AI music. So it's pretty cool. I mean, it's kind of an all-in-one platform that they've got here. They've got definitely some good tools to take advantage of. Let's go ahead and take a look at their subscription. And you can see here that in order to get started, you are looking at about $9.99 a month. And there is the yearly plan as well. So, you know, it's up to you if this is something that you want to take a chance on. So you can see here, join Discord here to get free credits. So there you go. So if you do want to get some free credits to play around and try it out, then you are going to need to join the Discord. So you can click there in order to do that. Let's just go ahead and head back here, and looks like we do get some free credits in order to by logging in. So we've got 1 day streak here. So we've got a couple credits that we can use. We can earn more credits. So we can upload video to get 10 credits. We can log every day to get a streak reward. And we can get 1 credit for each like on your feed. So if somebody likes something that you do, then you can get some free credits from that. So it does look like they have a way that you can use their platform, but you're not necessarily going to be getting too much right off the bat. It says that I got some free credits, but I'm not seeing any credits up there. So let's see if we, yeah, so still not seeing, let's see. Okay, so I guess we have to click there in order to get the credits. Still not seeing them up there. Let's refresh the page. There we go. So now we've got a couple of credits we can try out. So that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and click on AI story here. And here we have text to video, blog to video, audio to video. So we can generate a random AI story. We can do scary stories, motivational, bedtime stories, history, philosophy. There's some interesting stuff here to play around with. We can change our duration. We've got multiple styles here. We've got our aspect ratio. We can enter in custom instructions. And once we're ready, we can generate a script. Now it's going to cost us about 50 credits. So only got 2 credits, so that's not really much we can do with that. Let's go ahead and head back here and take a look at the AI video. Pretty straightforward. Looks like we are using Kling, but we do have options. We do have access to a few other options here, so this is pretty cool. Looks like we've got all the big ones here. We've got Kling, Huanyun, we've got Minimax, we've got Hyper, Pixverse, Runway, VO. So pretty cool here. The VO definitely kind of pricey there for the credits, but definitely some amazing stuff here to play around with, and you can see how much it's going to cost you for each of these generations. And looks like each of them is going to be around 30 credits thereabouts. So use your credits wisely. Let's go ahead and head back over here. Let's take a look at the AI influencer. So we've got a few options that we can choose from, but we can also create a character. So I've done that here already. I've added my own character. So I've got my AI influencer there. So we could use her if we want to, but that gives you an idea of what you can expect here with Vadoo. And we've got our AI image, so we can create an image here if we want. We've got different models we can take advantage of. We've got Flux, we've got Imagen, we've got Ideogram, and you can see here how much it's going to cost to use any of these different models. We have our image to 3D, so we can generate a 3D object. So that's kind of cool. Very, very neat. That's a demo object there. And we also have the music generator. So it looks like we are using Udio. So this is based on Udio, and we can generate something there. It does seem like this is free. I'm not seeing that it's asking us for any credits there. So that does look like something that you can play around with. So they've definitely got some cool stuff here, but I would just say that in order to take advantage of it, in order to use it, the amount of credits that you're going to get are somewhat limited, but you can try joining the Discord to get more credits. Otherwise, you're looking at the subscription, and for the subscription, it's looking like 50% off the first month, and then $20 after that. You get 1,500 credits per month. Based on the amount that it costs just for the VO, that was 400 credits. So use your credits wisely. The other ones are not as much. So it's probably about 30 to 40, depending on what you're using. But that's pretty much across the board. You always want to make sure that you're using your credits wisely, because you can go through them really quickly. So let's go ahead and just head back here and take a look at a couple of the other options that we've got. Looks like we've got the Discover section here. So this is some of the... Okay, so we've got actually sound here.
Ancient Egypt, a land of pharaohs and gods. Among its most iconic figures stands Nefertiti, the queen whose beauty and power have captivated the world for millennia.
So that gives you an idea there of what the AI story is. So you can create those neat little stories if you want to put that on your social media. Let's see here.
Did you know the greatest commandment can change everything?
Recently, 2 researchers in Egypt were employed
1290 BC.
Yeah. So some pretty cool stuff here. You can see for yourself what the results are like, and some of them are really quite nice. It does look like, I mean, it is using some pretty top-notch video generators, so that might be expected. So let's hear what the calendar is all about. So this is interesting. I'm not sure exactly what this is for, but there's a calendar here for whatever reason. We've got AI apps here, so let's take a look at that. Okay, so here we go. We've got some other cool stuff. We've got an upscaler. We've got face swap. We've got dress change. We do have lip sync, so that's nice. Skin enhancer. There's a lot of cool stuff here. Image extension, Ghibli style. That's very popular right now. Anime art generator. Just curious about the lip sync. Let's go ahead and click on that. So we do have some lip sync here. It does seem that we are based on a script. I don't see that we can upload our own audio, but it's nice that it has lip sync. So that's pretty cool. So that gives you an idea of everything that Vadoo is capable of. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find a link to our X page. And we just got started there. We would love it if you would join us on X. We're posting a lot of cool AI content on a regular basis. We also have information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars. And you can use discount code SkillCraft60 to get 60% off Cintra AI. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy platform. We are partnered with Cintra and proud to do so because it is such a great platform. It's really great if you are a new business or an established business, but you're looking for an edge take a look at Sintra. It provides some tailored responses to your questions. It gets to know you and your business, and can really help you take your business to the next level. Highly recommended. Cider AI is a great tool. It fits right into the side of your Chrome browser, and you can ask questions of a chatbot at any time. An amazing tool. I love it. It's a great thing I use all the time. Take a look at EnzoBot as well. Click on these links in order to get started. You'd be helping us out, and we would greatly appreciate it.